So a lot of people are talking about the next Notcoin, right? Notcoin this, Notcoin that. I shared Notcoin on my Telegram channel in January. As you can see, I shared Notcoin, yeah, January 4th. 79 people viewed it and just like 4 or 5 people click on it. As you can see, welcome back to the channel, guys. If you are new here, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video to friends who are not on YouTube so they can come on YouTube and watch it. You get. So let's dive right into the video. What I'm talking about is Blum, which is probably the next next Notcoin. I don't know, but this is a very good project, guys. It is backed by ex Binance people, and I really think this is gonna go big. Like, guys, this is gonna go big. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, guys, so this is it. First thing to do is click on farming, like I did, and you can also refer your friends and claim earnings. I think you can refer 10 people maximum. So I'm going to be dropping different links. So as you can see, I have just 5 friends left. So I'm going to be dropping different links in the description below. So if you want to click on any one of them, you understand. You can also leave your link in the comment section so that new people that are watching this video can also join through your referral link. So this is the first I'm going to show you guys. It has a big packing, so you guys can just come here, click on this, come to the Telegram bot and start. That's all. The second one I want to show you guys is CVEX.io. Guys, CVEX.io is something that I like, well, because they are an exchange. This is not really just a tap game though, but let me just show you what I mean. So let's say you tap everything, you have to tap like 100 every 5 or 6 hours, I think so. As you can see, the timer is counting down, so you have to tap every and claim this 100 every time. And you can also come to farm here, and as you can see, start farming here. Just start farming for me. And you can also do stacks here. As you can see, share this tweet, you can just start. You can also join a team, as you can see, this is our squad balance. You can also join by clicking the link in the description below, and that's all. I don't know why this is not working though, but you guys can also come and do all this. These stacks are smooth, they'll get you more tokens and give you an head start. Register in the app. I've not done this, but I've downloaded the application. I think this is it here. You can just come your part to the application, search for it on Google Play Store or your App Store, and do the needful. Just sign up, create an account. That's just it's very simple. It's not complex at all. I like the app interface. Like from this, I really like this interface. So just put in your Gmail, continue, confirm. They're gonna send an email. So confirm with either the link by using the code, the 6 digits code or 4 digit code sent to you. So that's all. That's all about these 2 projects I'm going to be talking about, guys. So if you're not farming these 2 projects, I don't know what you're doing. In fact. So the rest, like PocketFi, are going to be in the description too. PocketFi, Retos, YesCoin, gaming. I'm not going to talk about these 2 top coins here. This TapSwap and One First Lap. I'm not going to talk about them, but this rest of them, you guys can actually come and do it because they're going to cook very well, and I trust me, guys.